Welcome to a brand new series, AMQ. I am Adrian Hart, and I want to welcome you into Affiliate Marketing Questions, my new series aimed at answering your affiliate marketing questions. This will be a weekly series that will grow and evolve as I get more questions. You will see me interview other successful affiliate marketers to offer their insight to your questions. Now, with that all being said, our first video today will answer the most basic question in detail, so that by the end of the video, you will have a crystal clear answer. So what is included in episode 1? Well, first and foremost, AMQ equals affiliate marketing questions. It will be a brand new weekly series. The series will grow and evolve as we get more questions. We will host interviews with successful affiliate marketers to offer their insight into your questions. We will answer trending questions in the affiliate marketing space and much more to come. Now, let's jump to our very first question for AMQ. AMQ's first question is a general one, and it is a very important question. What is affiliate marketing? Well, the definition for affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party partners for promoting products and services and generating business. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and compensation paid incentivize the affiliates to find ways to promote the company. Affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy that is rather simple. A company pays affiliates for business generated from the affiliate's marketing tactics. Now let's have a look at some affiliate marketing statistics. As of 2022, affiliate marketing has a market share of $17 billion. Here's an amazing stat. 53% of all Amazon sales comes from affiliate marketing. Over half of all of Amazon sales come from affiliate marketing. That is amazing. Digital marketing, analytics, and cookies have made affiliate marketing a growing multi-billion-dollar industry. And at $17 billion as a market share, that's expected to go up and possibly hit above $22 billion by the end of 2023, there is definitely enough of this pie for everybody to get a slice. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. This is a growing industry. It is the wave of the future is affiliate marketing. Now, with all that said, let's have a top-down overview look at affiliate marketing and how it actually works. So you're going to promote a product or service through your digital marketing, social media platforms. There's many different ways that you can promote a product or service. A customer is going to make a purchase through your link. The company will then track your sale. Because the customer went through your link, the company will know to track that it is your sale. After the sale is complete, the affiliate, you, will get paid a commission by the company. And this is a cycle that is just one big circle, as you can see on screen. So after you get paid the commission, you continue to promote a product or service. Customers hopefully make purchases through your links. The company tracks your sales from your links and then pays you the commission accordingly. And that is a very basic, simple top-down overview look at how affiliate marketing works. Now, if you have more questions about affiliate marketing, make sure you put them down below in the comments, as this is a weekly series and I will be answering all questions that I see through the comments or on through my audience or my social media reach. So thank you all. Hope you guys found some value in this simple, quick first episode for AMQ. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you guys next week for episode number 2 of AMQ.